Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to install WordPress in Hostinger. So let's get started. So at first we need to visit hostinger.com, and then from the top we are going to click on this login button. And here we need to enter our Hostinger username and password and then click on login. So after the login, we will be redirected to Hostinger Hpanel, and from here we are going to see how to install WordPress on our Hostinger hosting. So from the Hostinger dashboard, here we will see a hosting tab, and it will show us all the hosting plans that we have purchased from Hostinger. Next to our hosting plan, we will see a manage button, so we are going to click on it. So now from the left menu, we are going to click on this website drop down, and here we will see a auto installer option, so we are going to click on it. Now on the top we will see previous WordPress installations, so we are going to select WordPress from here, and now here we need to add our website credentials, and these credentials will be used later on to log into our WordPress website dashboard. So I am going to quickly enter my credentials and then we will go to the next step. So I have added my website credentials, and below it you will see an advanced tab, so we are going to click on it. So if you want to install WordPress on your main domain like yourdomain.com, then you can leave the advanced tab as it is. As I want to install WordPress on the subdirectory, so I am going to use this advanced tab. So I am going to fill this subdirectory tab, and after that I am going to click on next. From here we are going to leave it as it is. If you want to change the language, then you can change it from here. And after that we are going to click on install. And as you can see that WordPress is now installing on our domain and web hosting. So as you can see that WordPress is now installed on our domain and hosting, and we are redirected to our website dashboard. From here we can do some basic WordPress settings, like we can install SSL on our website, we can put the website on maintenance mode, and from the security tab we can easily update our plugins and themes. Now again we are going to click on dashboard, and from here we are going to click on edit website, and it will take us to our WordPress website dashboard. Now from here we are going to click on this WordPress icon, and now we are in the WordPress dashboard, and from here we are going to visit our website, and we can easily see our website. So this is the WordPress website that we have just created on our Hostinger hosting and domain. So this is how you can install WordPress on Hostinger. Thank you so much for watching the video tutorial. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel.